This is the public access to the Tobermory Lighthouse, also known as the Big Tub, in Tobermory, Ontario. And here she is, the Tobermory Lighthouse, better known as the Big Tub.
Oh, no, I mean, that was a good shot. Oh.
The white ship over there is not a cruiser. That is the Chichiman. It sails from Tobermory to Manitoulin Island. You can take your ships on there, your bikes. It's about 2 or 3 hours.
That's what she said. I heard it. Is it Chichimanga? Oh, is that the Chichimanga?
Yeah.
You can take your cars on there and your bicycles.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, everybody. I had said you can take your ships on there. Well, you could if you want. They were small enough, you know, like canoes or something. But, yeah, you can take your cars and your bicycles. And it goes from Tobermory over to Manitoulin Island. In this picturesque little cove, that looks so peaceful and calm, contains 2 sunken boats. They sank sometime in the 1800s, and they are wood boats, and they are still there. The water is so cold that it just doesn't decay. So if any of you are scuba divers and you don't mind cold water, you should come up here and take a look. You will not be disappointed.